Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how we can get the Roblox application installed on our smartphone. Whether you are using an Android or your iOS device, downloading Roblox application is super easy. The first thing you would want to do is to check for a stable internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Go to the search icon and then type in Roblox in the search box. Look for the Roblox application from Roblox Corporation, which will be found easily in the search result. Now click on the download or the get button to start downloading Roblox. Roblox is known to be a popular online platform where users can create their own games and play games created by others. It is a virtual world where players can explore different universes, socialize with friends, and express their creativity. Wait for the application to download, which will take a couple of minutes, and once it is done, launch the app open and start exploring. And that is how you will be able to download the Roblox application on your mobile device. Sign up for a new account or log into an existing account of yours and get started. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Roblox application. To log into Roblox app, first of all open the Roblox application from your app drawer, and from the main home page, click on the login button. In the sign in area, you can go ahead and enter your username, email address, or phone number associated with Roblox. Enter any one information in the text box and enter your password on the next field. Click on the login button once you are done and you will be able to log into your Roblox account. So that is how you can easily log into Roblox app in just a few minutes. In this video, we will be learning how to change language on your Roblox account. To change language on Roblox, first of all open the Roblox application on your mobile device. Once you open up the Roblox application on your mobile device, make sure to log into your account as well. Once you're in the main home page, click on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. After clicking on More, scroll down and click on the Settings option. Inside Settings, click on Account Info. From your Account Info page, scroll down and go to the Language drop-down and tap on it. From the list of available language, choose the language you want to change to. Right after you select the language, your Roblox application will restart in the chosen language. That is how you can easily change your display language on Roblox. You can repeat this step in order to change to your language of preference anytime you want. So that is how you can easily change your language setting on Roblox. In this video, we will be learning how to change password on Roblox. To change password on Roblox, the first thing you would want to do is to open your Roblox application on your mobile device. You can also log into Roblox website as well. Once you're inside the main home page of Roblox after signing in, go to the bottom right hand corner and tap on More. Inside the More menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Settings. Once you open up the Settings menu, click on the Account Info option. Under Account Info, scroll down and tap on the pencil icon right next to password. Enter your current password in the first text box and then enter the new password on the next field and confirm the new password once again on the last text box. Finally, tap on the Update button to change your password for Roblox. Doing so will help you change your password for Roblox in just a few minutes. Now, every time you sign in or when prompted, you will now need to type in the newly updated password. In this video, we will be learning how to follow someone in Roblox. Following someone in Roblox is a great way to keep track of their activities and join them in games. So in order to do that, first of all open your Roblox application to get started and log into your account. Once you're logged into Roblox, go to the search icon at the top of the screen and then enter the username of the person you want to follow and search. Now, you have two different options at the top, Experiences and People. To follow or add people, tap on the People tab and choose one of the username you are trying to follow, and this will open up their profile. Now, simply tap on the Add Friend button to add them as your friend. If you want to follow an experience or the game, simply click on Experiences option and select one of the game from the list. Now, click on the three dots at the bottom left and click on follow. Soon after you tap on the follow button, the button should now change to gray. That is how you can easily follow someone on Roblox. Now you can keep track of their activities and join them in games. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to make a group in Roblox. Creating a group on Roblox is a great way to bring together like-minded players, whether it is for gaming, developing, or socializing. In order to create a group on Roblox, first of all, open up your Roblox application and sign into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the More menu, tap on Groups. Now, in the Groups page, you will see Create Group button in the upper right corner. Click on it and fill out the group information on the next page. Enter a name for your group and in the description box, write down a description that explains what your group is about. In the emblem section, choose the emblem or your group logo by uploading an image. Simply tap on Select an image from your device and select the emblem. Under the Settings menu, set the group's settings such as who can join the group or if you want to set manual approval for the group. After selecting any one option, tap on the 100 Robux button in green at the bottom right and ensure that you have enough Robux in your account. Creating a group requires 100 Robux, so make sure you have it. And then once you click on the 100 button, you will be able to create a group. Once your group has been created, you can invite members, manage roles, create group games, and set up group funds. So that's how you easily create or make a group on Roblox. In this video, we will be learning how to enable dark mode in Roblox. To enable dark mode on Roblox is pretty easy, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open up your Roblox application and from the home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and from the Settings menu, tap on Account Info. Inside the Account Info tab, scroll down and then tap on the Theme drop-down. Click on Dark from the pop-up and you will then be able to enable dark mode on Roblox. In this tutorial episode, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can enable dark mode on your Roblox application using mobile devices. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. If you want to turn on dark mode on your Roblox app, open the Roblox application from your app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account as well, and once you are, tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the More menu, tap on Settings. Under the Settings menu, look for the Account Info button. After selecting Account Info, scroll down and look for the Theme option. Tap on the Theme drop-down and select Dark. Right after you select Dark, you will be able to toggle on the dark mode for your Roblox account. In this tutorial video, we are going to be learning how to join a group in Roblox application using your iOS device. First of all, open the Roblox application and make sure that you are logged into your account as well. After you are logged in, tap the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, scroll down and tap Groups. Once you open up the Groups tab, in the search box appearing at the top, type in the name of the group that you are looking for. From the search results, look for the group that you'd like to join into and tap on it. Now, this will open up the group's info page. Tap on the Join Group button and you will be able to join the group successfully. Some groups may have specific requirements or restrictions for joining in, such as minimum age or account level. If the group is private, you may need to wait for an administrator to approve your request. So that is how you will be able to join to a group on Roblox app. In this video, we will be learning how to leave a group on Roblox application using your iOS device. To leave a group on Roblox app, first of all, open the Roblox application on your mobile device. Once you are inside the main home page of Roblox, make sure that you sign into your account as well. After signing in, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the More menu, tap on Groups. You will be able to see the list of groups that you've joined into. Select the group that you want to leave and tap on it. Now, click on the three dots appearing at the top right corner of the group that you've joined into and tap on Leave Group from the pop-up. Click on Yes in the pop-up to confirm that you want to leave the group. And just like that, you will be able to leave your group on Roblox. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log out of your Roblox account. Logging out of your Roblox application is a super easy process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open up your Roblox application from your mobile device, and from the main home page, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Scroll all the way down from the More option and tap on Log Out. Click on the Log Out button once again in the pop-up and you have successfully signed out or logged out of Roblox application. Remember that you will need to sign in with your Roblox credential whenever you try to do so again, so make sure you have your email and password ready. That is how you can easily log out of Roblox in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.